This is a 1 horsepower Bridgeport 42-inch table. 220/440 is currently wired 220. This one also comes with a Bridgeport vise with a swivel base. As you can see, it goes from high to low with ease, no binding at all. As you can see, I'm changing the belts with ease. This right here engages the worm, which engages the feed. As you can see by looking at the feed, there's 3 different ranges. Feed does not slip, the clutch is in very good shape. I'm putting a lot of force on it. Same thing with the upstroke. The table goes from end to end with ease. There's no tight spots at all. As you can see how nice the ways are, the flaking is still in excellent shape. As you can see, there is virtually no scarring at all.